Welcome. Today we're diving into one of Telegram's most useful privacy features: how to make your profile photo private. Whether you're safeguarding your identity or simply keeping your personal life under wraps, this quick guide will show you exactly how to adjust your settings. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Look for the menu icon in the top left corner. It's either 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture, depending on your device. Tap it to open the main menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings, the gear-shaped option that lets you tweak everything from notifications to security. Once you're in Settings, find and tap Privacy and Security. This section is your control center for managing who sees what on your profile. Here, you'll find options for your last seen status, messages, calls, and more. But today, we're focusing on your phone number settings. Tap that option to proceed. By default, Telegram may allow certain users to see your phone number, but we're locking that down. You'll see 3 choices: Everybody, My Contacts, or Nobody. Select Nobody to ensure your number stays completely hidden. This means no one, not even people in your groups or mutual contacts, can view your phone number through your profile. But here's a pro tip. While you're in the Privacy and Security menu, take a moment to explore other settings. For instance, under Profile Photos, you can also restrict who sees your picture. Pairing this with your hidden phone number creates an extra layer of privacy. Once you've selected Nobody for your phone number, exit the menu. That's it, your profile is now more secure. Telegram will automatically save your changes, so there's no need to hit a confirm button. Remember, privacy is about control. By adjusting these settings, you're deciding who gets access to your personal information, not the app. If you ever want to reverse these changes, just revisit the same menu and switch back to My Contacts or Everybody. And that's all there is to it. In under a minute, you've taken a big step towards securing your Telegram presence. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on navigating the digital world safely. Thanks for watching. Stay private, stay secure.